I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I greet you, beloveds, in the love and in the light of the one prime creator. So for September 21st, 2021, let's take a look at markets here. Markets been trading for less than an hour for this day's session. Let's do a quick follow-up to a video I did yesterday, and I'm going to add some more color in terms of other related complexes or other variations of the charts that do highlight how things can be complex in as much as we want to simplify them. All right, so in the prior video, which I'm going to link in the description of this video, I was talking about EA and the fact that the RSI, let me correct myself, the price had previously been attempting a breakout, as we can see here, and after multiple attempts to break out, has since started to roll over. Now, more of this is going to be explained in the prior video, so I would suggest if you haven't seen that video, take a look at it. Now, one thing I didn't mention, but again, there's always so much on these charts, you can write several books on one single chart. Here we can see the stock was making an attempt to move to new highs, but the RSI was well below RSI 61.8, and that's also another reason to have suspected the breakout was going to stall. It so happens also to be connecting. Let's get this. So bear with me. Connecting to this RSI topside line, a well-defined line connecting the highs on the weekly chart. This is a 2-year weekly, and of course we tagged that there. That was a sign that this instrument would struggle to break out unless and until it cleared this area here. Now, as I mentioned in a separate video, take a look at this RSI 50 crossing, which corresponds to last week's drop and a continuation this week. That RSI 50 crossing is legit. Additionally, now take a look at this trend line break. So there's a lot of information. As I say, these charts offer a lot of information depending on your point of view. A break there, we can see prices reacting. Now, this is the 2 years weekly, and I want to show you how things can be complex. What we're going to do next, we're going to take a look at a multi-year monthly chart, in fact capturing all the monthly data since the IPO days of the early 90s, so all the way back here, late 91, 92. And the first thing I see is that this push to new highs recently has come with your RSI being rejected on this monthly chart around RSI 61.8, a concept by yours truly, and that's a red flag. But wait, there is more. You take the top side of the monthly chart without any type of adjustment. You hit resistance here and here for the monthly highs there and there. Oh, but wait, there is still more. We can also use my uniformity concept, mine, but quote unquote it's ours, and we can see a break here of the RSI in 2018 of that high. Take that information, draw the uniformity concept line or the Muathe uniformity line. Oh, let's keep the colors consistent here. Why not? Remember, I call it the uniformity concept for a reason. We go above it, back below it. Any type of uniform action in this type of method means a reversal area. You got a reversal area on a monthly chart there. Prices reverse from, let's say, the 140s to 110s. And then a couple of other resistances recently bang, bang. Now, something else I would like you to also consider, as I said, the complexity is there, is the RSI on the monthly for this instrument is approaching 50. Guess what would happen if the monthly cracks below 50? Correct. Remember, the last time we dropped below 50 was here in 2018, and that definitely corresponds with that price erosion right there. Big down month. Big down month right here as the RSI crossed below 50. So if you are, let's say, looking to buy this now, you'd obviously have to consider what the RSI is doing on the monthly, because if it slashes below RSI 50 on the monthly, expect the momentum, the pressure, the direction to be downwards. And by the way, this uniformity line happens to be around that, you guessed it, RSI 61.8. So let me draw it back again. And when the instrument is moving higher, it uses uniform activity support back above the line for recovery, uniform support on the line for a recovery here. And when the instrument is entertaining lower prices, it uses this area for uniform activity rejection. I'm just highlighting some examples to confirm that this RSI 61.8-ish area is always an area to pay attention to. All right, now I'm going to propose another line. Remember, this is an educational video, so let's do it. And this line is going to come all the way from the lows of 94. I'm going to extend it out like that. It connects the lows there. Lows of 97, lows of 03, and those double bottom lows right there of late 05. Break. Double top resistance. I'm just highlighting some areas here. Notice how we break out and begin this fantastic move in 2013. Support, late 2013. Support in 16. Support here, late 17. And finally we broke down. Break. Break. Uniform activity above the line, back below it, resistance. Recently we've tagged it twice in 2021. And that's what I would call is an example of what I call a strange line. They are not strange. It just means that the instrument has a memory. And you can use that memory for your decision making. Let me stop right there, otherwise I can continue forever. And so it is. I am Eric with Muathe.com, and I have enjoyed connecting with you. I leave you in the love and in the light of the one infinite creator. Go forth hence rejoicing in the power and in the peace of the one prime creator. Adonai, my friends. Adonai.